Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a drill bit. Okay, first we select a front plane, click right and click a sketch like this, and we select a circle and draw it from the origin point like this, and assign a smart dimension to 9 millimeter. After that, we go to the feature and extrude boss. From direction we can change up to next or mid plane, but in this example I choose the blind, and the long of the extrude boss we can change the diameter to 122 millimeter like this, and click OK. After that, we choose this surface and click sketch, and we choose the convert entities, and the surface is converted, and we go to the feature like this and select a curve and select helix and spiral like this. We can change a define by ensure we choose pitch and revolution, and parameter we select the constant pitch, and for example the pitch is 70, right? And we can we also can change the direction like this, uncheck this, but for example the direction is to top, so we select the reverse direction, and revolution in one, and started angle is 180 degree and clockwise. After that we click OK like this. Okay, and go to the sketch and select the sketch and choose 3D sketch like this. And before that we select this spiral lens and convert entities. Nah, the spiral all is converted. After that we go to the top plane and right click and normal to like this, and we choose tangent art like this and draw it from this point, click and exit. And click this line and click control from the keyboard and click the spiral line, and we can make a tangent. After we select this point to a line, we select the make a tangent like this. Okay, after that we can exit sketch and select this surface and click sketch. We select the circle like this, draw from this point like this, and assign a radius to 7 millimeter, and click OK and click exit like this. Then we go to the feature and we select the sweep cut. From profile and path we select the sketch profile. From first we select this radius here or circle, and from this line we select this line. Okay, like this, and click OK. After that we can hide this line or hide this spiral line. We hide, and we go to the line pattern like this and select circle pattern. From direction we click and select the body, select this body, click, and ensure we select the equal spacing, and the degree is 3060 degree, 3060 degree, and it's a 2. And feature and face we select a sweep cut before we made it. Select this and click OK. The drill bit almost already created, but we must to make a sharp from the tip from the drill bit. So we select the top plane, we click the sketch like this, we select the center line, we draw it from the center to the top like this, and we select a line and draw like this in this, and assign a dimension to length is, and the center line maybe it's 60 degree to make the drill bit is more sharp. And after that we can go to the feature and revolve cut. From axis and revolution we choose the center line we made before and click OK. Okay, the drill bit is more sharp, and from the on the top on the edge we can make a chamfer like this, and we change the diameter is 1 millimeter. Select this edge, and angle is 45 degree and click OK. Okay, the drill bit is already. We can to change the appearance. We can change the appearance in this. Appearance is select a metal, choose the steel, and for example we choose polished steel like this. And the drill bit is already is created as simple and quick. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this can help you in learning SolidWorks. I apologize if I made any mistake in delivering this material. Thank you very much.